inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you never been, but all things that you seen slowly fade away. So I started a revolution from my bed. Oh, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, summertime's in bloom. That's nice. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. So Sally can't wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say. Place where you go, where nobody knows if it's not our day. Please don't put your life in the hands of a rock and roll band. Throw it all away. Gonna start a revolution from my bed. Oh, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside 'cause summertime's a bloom. That's nice. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. You ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. So Sally can't wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. I heard you say. I heard you say. At least not today, my baby.
Run bull purple day ba day ba da run bull purple lay low. Run bull purple day ba day ba da run bull purple low. Purple day ba day ba da run bull purple lay low. Run bull purple day ba day ba da run bull purple lay low.
You're my love, you're my sweetest thing. Don't shy away, don't shy away. Every night makes me hate the days. Can't get enough of your love. Don't turn away. I can't hide all these moon shines on the cowshed, and we're rolling in the hay. All the cows are out there grazing, and the milk is on its way. I am a cider drinker. I drinks it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. O-R-O-R-A, O-R-O-R-A. Proper jobs, wanna try some, young'un? It's so cozy in the kitchen with the smell of rabbit stew. When the breeze blows across the farmyard, you can smell the cowsheds too. Oh, never smelt nothing like it all my life. When those combine wheels stops turning and the hard day's work is done, there's a pub around the corner. It's the place we have our fun. Ah, we'll have some fun at all. I am a cider drinker. I drinks it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. It soothes all me troubles away. O-R-O-R-A, O-R-O-R-A. Come on, young, get a couple of pints down here then. Now, dear old Mabel, when she's able, we takes a stroll down Lover's Lane, and we'll sing a plain to Scrumpy. Then we'll play all nature's game. But we end up in the duck pond when the pub decides to close, with me britches full of tadpoles and the newts between me toes.